Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare chana roast, that is your coconut based white pea curry. For this recipe I have taken 250 grams of dried white peas. You can increase the quantity of the peas to 500 grams as well. Next I have soaked the peas overnight. If there are any stones in the peas, kindly remove it prior to the soaking. Once the peas are nicely soaked, you wash it 2 or 3 times and drain it. Add the peas in the pressure cooker along with turmeric powder, salt and enough water just to cover the surface of the peas, and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. You can see the peas are nicely cooked. Next, to make the masala, in a pan heat coconut oil, onion, garlic, ginger and green chilies. Saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes and then add tomatoes. Saute for 5 minutes till the tomatoes are slightly mushy. Remove it and allow it to cool in a separate plate. In the same pan, add freshly grated coconut and roast it for around 5 minutes till it turns golden brown in color. Now add all the fried ingredients in the mixer jar. Along with coriander leaves, garam masala and water. Grind it into a fine paste. To make the curry, in a vessel add coconut oil, mustard seeds and sprigs of curry leaves. Allow it to splutter. Add the ground masala along with the residual water and cook it for around 2 minutes. Add the boiled peas along with the water, mix well and bring it to a boil. Check for taste, add salt and sugar and mix well. Finish it off with some chopped coriander leaves.